Hello guys, I'm making this small video uh, to give you the understanding about how to download the data from nscindia.com. Let's open nscindia.com on your web browsers, and you can see here the search tab where you can search for any stocks. Let's say I am picking the Reliance Industries here. This will give me the spot price of Reliance Industry. Here is the current market price. But since I want the historical data, I have to go to this historical data tab. I have to pick the dates here. At one shot, this give me the data for last 2 years or so. So let's say I'm picking the data from 20th April to 19th April, 20th April 2018 to 19th April 2020. To just press filter, and this is giving me all the stock price, cash price data of Reliance Industries. I can download this file as an Excel sheet onto my computer, and if I just see this file, this is the stock price data from 20th April 18 to 17th April, and here is the close price of Reliance Industry. This was the cash markets price. Now let's see how to download the derivatives data. Again, go back to nscindia.com, and in the quotation window itself, you can find this derivative tab. Go to derivatives, and in the derivative tab, you will find the all historical data tab. Go to all historical data. Here you can find the filter by instrument type, year, and expiry date. Let's say I want the data for current uh, uh, April month future from from 1st March 2020 to 19th April 2020, and I have to pick the instrument type from here. Let's say stock future. 2020 is the year, and expiry date I can choose from the expiry dates. Let's say I'm talking about this current month expiry. To just press filter here. Similarly, if I want the data for March expiry from the 1st March to the end of the expiry date, here the March contract will got expired on last Thursday of the March, which was 26th March. So I have taken the dates from 1st March 2020 to 26th March 2020, and the expiry date as of 26th March 2020, and I can just filter it. I will have all the data with me from 1st March, or I should say 2nd March to 26th March for the expiry date of 26th March. Here is the close price. You can download it on your computer. Uh, the same way, you can do this for the options as well. This time you have to pick option. You have to again pick the year and the expiry date. Option type, let's say I'm picking the put option of the strike price of, let's say, 1200, and this will give me the March expiries put option of 1200 from 1st March 2020 to 26th March 2020, when the contract will end. This March contract will end. Now here is the put option data. PE is the put option from for this expiry date from 2nd March to 26th March. You can go back to last uh, uh, 3 or 4 expiries. I mean, let's say you want it for January month. Go to January and pick the data for January contract. You have to choose for the expiry as well. I mean, you have to once refresh it to get the January month contracts. January 2020 to let's say last Thursday, 30th January. Instrument type you have to choose, let's say stock futures, year 2020, expiry date 30th January, and then filter. Same way you can find it for any other expiry as well. If you want it for Nifty, just punch Nifty there, find Nifty derivatives, and the same way you can do it for Nifty as well. All historical data for various dates, various instrument types, and the expiry dates. You can download the data for Nifty future or Nifty options as well. Thank you so much, guys. Use this for our future data requirements. Thank you.